Vitamin D plays an important role in your health. It helps your body build your immune system to fight off viruses and infections, absorb calcium and strengthen bones, and prevent conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and multiple sclerosis. Most adults should get 15 micrograms of vitamin D daily. But vitamin D deficiency is pretty common. It affects about 35% of adults in the United States. Here's how to start your morning with a vitamin D boost. Step 1. Whip up some Eggland's Best Eggs. Eggland's Best Eggs have 6 times more vitamin D compared to ordinary eggs. Step 2. Pair your Eggland's Best Egg with a glass of orange juice. Check the labels and choose cartons fortified with vitamin D. Step 3. Eat your Eggland's Best Eggs outside. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin. When exposed to sunlight, your skin produces it. Matched with a plate of Eggland's Best Eggs, that's a healthy morning dose of vitamin D.